Hello everyone. Decorative ideas for diary and notebook. Take a notebook and a diary. Idea number 1. To cover front side of a diary, cut a paper of the same size as a diary. And stick over it. Draw a rough sketch of your design before implementing it on a diary. Take a pieces of a cardboard or a foam board. Here I have used foam board, but you can use anything which will give embossing look. After that, use tissue paper and stick over the design with the help of brush and then paint it. Don't forget, before painting, place a plastic paper between cover and page so that color will remain. After painting, it will look like a door and decorate it further according to your choice. Idea number 2. Take a notebook and a few papers according to your favorite color. Then make markings and cut 1.5 cm strips of the paper. Start sticking strips as shown in the video. Follow the procedure carefully. Our notebook will look like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to mention a comment in comment section below and also follow my Instagram account. So bye for now guys.